Hey everybody, I am Surbhi and you are watching Key Differences. In this video, we are going to talk about what is visual communication, elements of visual communication and its advantages. So friends, without further ado, let's get started. Have you ever noticed that whenever we go for traveling, we often see a number of signboards and milestones? What are they? They are actually visual aids that help in visually communicating the message to all the passengers or travelers. So, this is our third form of communication, that is visual communication. The other two being verbal communication and non verbal communication. I have already created a separate video on these two topics, so you can refer that also. You can also find the links in the description box below. So come let's understand the meaning of visual communication first. Communication that takes place through the use of visual aid is visual communication. In layman terms, visual communication is one which is purely based on vision, that is eyesight. Or we could say that any form of communication that uses the sense of sight is visual communication. As I already said, this type of communication uses visual aids to connect with the audience, such as graphics, signs, symbols, typography, and electronic resources. These aids not just inform but also persuade and entertain the audience. An ideal visual communication design is said to be the one which can be accurately interpreted by the target audience. That means it involves communication of the message in the form that one can view, read, and interpret easily. The aim of visual communication is to convey the message to the people, inspire change, or evoke an emotion. Visual communication plays a crucial role in the field of social media, culture, politics, economics, and science. Moving on to the elements of visual communication. Elements are basically visual resources that can be looked upon and understood easily by the audience and are used to deliver information and ideas. The elements of visual communication include objects. Objects are any kind of icon or shape used for showing an explanation or conveying any message to the people it is directed to. Signs. Signs are used to direct traffic or inform workers about things like breaks or changes in scheduling. Models. It is a three-dimensional representation of any person or object whose size is smaller than the actual size of that person or object. For instance, globe is used as a model of Earth. Graphs. Graph is basically a diagram representing the relationship between variables or items. Graphs are of several types like histogram, frequency polygon, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, etc. Tables. Tables contain data, facts, and figures organized in rows and columns systematically. Maps. A diagrammatic representation of a particular area highlighting important spots is called map. Nowadays, digital maps are also available along with the printed ones. Photographs. Photographs are the clicked pictures which are used to describe anything in detail. For instance, if you want to show the culture of a particular region, photographs would be of great help. Videos. A video is a visual recording of motion pictures which requires a player to play it. At present, a number of people learn skills through videos. It is one of the trending modes of communication. Presentations, also called as slideshows. These are mainly used to convey main points concerning a topic. Talking about the advantages of visual communication. The best thing about visual communication is that a person is not required to know a particular language to understand the information or message conveyed. This is due to the fact that this communication is simple and remains same across various areas. Moreover, it helps in communicating the message to the broader audience even without talking to them directly. It ensures faster communication, engaging audiences, and presenting data or information. It is also helpful in retaining information and the development of creativity and imagination in people. It evokes emotions in the audience, thus making the communication more relatable, which is very useful in the advertising industry. Next, it makes the audience understand the idea presented and can be used on a wide range of people. So friends, this brings me to the end of this video. I hope the concept of visual communication is clear to you now. So guys, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. Also, if you are new to this channel and wanna get more such useful videos, Consider subscribing the channel and also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And if you have any queries or feedback for me, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Until next time, this is me Surbhi signing off.